Hello friends, once again to my channel Arnav's A to Z content. Today I will discuss one of the most important and exciting topic about secrets of making content more interesting and captivating. So today, how to make your content interesting or captivating? It is one of the most toughest question to answer, to most toughest question most of the content writers like you encounter in your career, right? So today you will get the answer of this question with all the steps that I have followed to become successful in this field. So the first thing is that when you are writing a content, make the headline of the content much more captivative, make it much more acceptable to your, make it so much so interesting that people get stuck to your content and start reading your content from beginning to end. And for that you have to give a catchy headline. Catchy headline or the title of the content must be very much catchy, that creates excitement, interest, and question in the mind of the that what is there in the content so they can read. The second step is that keep the first line of the content. You can start the first line of the content with a quotation, with a tagline or something which excites the reader and excites them to read your content and till the end. Second point is that when you are writing the content, your H2s and H3s must be much more informative and should not get out of the track topic. It will make the content interesting. Give them some unique information and informative information which they do not know, then only your objective will be achieved. In the and one interesting thing you can do, that you can start your H2s and H3s with some images and GIF images, with some interesting pictures and GIF images. As for example, if you are writing a content on some mysterious places in India, top 10 mysterious places in India, then why this place is mysterious, add some GIF pictures on the subheadings. After writing the subheadings, on before the subheadings you can write the GIF pictures, you can add up the GIF pictures. It will make the content much more interactive with your target audience. The second point is that when you are adding any important messages, quotations about that place for which you have visited, then also it will make the content much more interesting. So I think I have made this some crucial points clear to you, right? And after that I will tell you that what is the trick to make it much more captivative, even if you have written a mediocre quality content that does not will appeal to the target audience. Even if that your content will get ranked in the ACRPs and people will read it, make an in-depth research and just highlight the important points in the bullets, and under the H3s create a subheading with bullets, 2 to 3 points, 2 to 5 points. Then it will make more interesting about your content, and Google crawler will crawl that content, and your content will start to rank on the ACRPs. So I think I have made something important things with you. I have made some important tips to you. I have provided some important tips to you. So you can apply those tricks while writing the content. And whenever you apply any animated GIF or any interesting GIF in your content or pictures in your content with high resolution pictures, then it will attract the attention of your target audience, and they will start to read your content till the end, and your objective will be achieved easily. So that's all for today, and if you please like my information and my guidance regarding content writing, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my previous videos also, because on those videos I have also shared some important tips that will be also helpful for you if you are a new beginner in this field, and if you are a intermediate content writer also, have the experience but you don't know the parameters also. So stay tuned till my next videos which will be coming soon, and till then bye bye and have a good day ahead.